Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P, and today we are going to talk about 7 premium courses that you can grab for free if you act. So what are these courses are? Let's talk about them. First course, we are having master course in cloud computing and cloud architecture. That is 1 hour course where you will learn about cloud computing, cloud architecture and cloud security. Also, you will learn from different cloud platform. Here you can see the contents. So I'll share the coupon for you. So you will grab this course for free. Next course, we are having master course, which is for fundamentals of machine learning, where you will learn about machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and deep learning. So this course is again of 1 hour, and here is the content you can see. I'll share the code, then you will grab this course for free as well. Next course, we are having master course in cloud security 3.0, where you will talk about cloud computing, cloud storage, cloud architecture, cloud security. Mostly you will talk about the cloud security. This course is also of 1 hour. So these are the quick courses that can help you to learn and boost your skills. And after applying code, you will grab this course for free. And next course we are having AI driven cybersecurity. As you know, right now we are using AI in every domain. So in cybersecurity also AI come into picture. So here we can learn how AI can help us in cybersecurity. So we can leverage the power of ChatGPT and generative AI for our cybersecurity work. So here you can see the content, and here I'll provide the code. Then you this course will also become free for you. Next course, we are having fundamental course of data architecture 2.0. So where you will learn about data architecture, database management, business intelligence, DBMS, data mesh, big data architecture, TOGAF, that is the certification for architect. Guys, here is the content you can see, and once you will apply the code, that then it will also become free for you. So if you see the ratings and the numbers of students, these are the premium courses, but you will get these all courses for free if you will stay till the end of this video. Next course, we will talk about certified in cybersecurity, that where you will get the 500 questions related to cybersecurity. So that will help you in your interviews or any certification which is related to cybersecurity. Next course we are having related to Docker certification. If you are planning your certification in Docker or want to boost your knowledge in Docker, then you can enroll for this course that can help you in future as well. But the best part of these courses are once you enroll now, you can use it for lifetime. So these are the courses we are having in today's sessions. I spent hours of research to grab these coupons for you. You can take 2 to 3 seconds to just like this video and share your feedback in the comment section. Now let's start one by one. So which code you need to use? So make this course free for you. You just need to go to this course link that I'll share in the description box. So here you can see the option of apply coupon, right? You just need to click here and apply this coupon code, which is here. Just click on apply, then you can see now this course become free for you. Now let's see the next course, fundamental of machine learning. So what is the coupon for this one? You need to go the link, you will come to this page, you need to come again here, apply the code. This is the code for this one. Just note it down and apply. Once you will apply, this course will become free for you. Just note it down again. Now let's check the next course, that is master course in cloud security. So for this one, you need to come down again, apply this coupon code which is mentioned here. Once you will apply, the course will become free for you. This course, I would say, very important because we should learn AI in cybersecurity as well. So you need to go here again, come down, apply code, and use this code. You can note it down this code, and then you need to click on apply. Now this course will become free for you. Now let's check the next course, that is for fundamental course of data architecture. For that one, you need to come down again to apply code, apply this code, and this course will become free for you. Next course we are having certified in cybersecurity. For this practice test, you need to come down that is for five practice tests. You need to apply this code which is mentioned here. Once you will click on apply, it will become free for you. Now let's check the last course for this. You can see you have the option for apply code. Just go down, apply this free drop to coupon code, and once you will click on apply, it will also become free for you. So now all the 7 courses are available free for you, but I'm not sure how long it will be. So it's all depend on the creator for how long they provided this course. It might be for number of users or number or belongs to the timeline. So just try to grab them as soon as possible. See you in next video with more learning content and free resources. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep transforming. Bye bye.